This is Danny with QuadLugs. This is kind of cool. I had a little extra time, so I took an old quad that I had. This is, about 2 or 3 years old, I guess, and had a lot of old equipment, and I put a new ESC 4-in-1. It's a Spedix 4-in-1 with BlHeli S. I left the motors on. These are brother motors, pretty old ones. And I think these are, 2204, 2300, 4-inch props, 4.5s, I think. And, just a 3S battery. And the one thing I wanted to try with this, because it's been a long time, I'm using a controller. It's from good old Hobby King. It's an orange flight controller with built-in Spectrum receiver, and I'll put the link in the description. Anyway, I was just curious how it would fly, because nobody's flying those anymore that I know of. Anyway, I think it's an F1, and it has no OSD or anything like that. If you get time, go over to Hobby King and take a look at it. It's kind of cool. But I put it in, and it's just attached with Velcro, believe it or not, and it flies diggum good. I put, Beta Flight on it and, set it up. I'm just going to use my timer. Might blow a battery or two, but, we'll see how that goes. I'm still going to use the 3S on it and, just have some fun, just kind of mess around with it. This is pretty good, I guess, for a beginner. It's a little tame, so it can, I think it's good entry level to go and try it out and, see if they like it and, get some stick time on it. Anyway, works pretty good. I forgot all about this one with that controller on it, but, plugging it in, it plugs in like that, everything's out of the way. I put the BlHeli S 4-in-1 on the bottom of it, and then the controller on the middle level there. Works really well though. Old Fat Shark camera. If you've been in it a while, you've seen some of these. This is very old, or an older Fat Shark camera, and a older. Actually, this is an Eachine TXV. So, but I put that back in just to see. Flies really good. Pretty tough. I mean, this is wood, and of course these are nylon parts here on the front and the back, and wood on these 3 plates, and wood here. But I tell you what, it's pretty tough. You'll be amazed. Changing out the arms super easy to do, so it's no big deal if you crash it up to repair it. Pretty easy. Anyway, I just wanted to show this thing. We still sell these frames, and anyway, pulling it out and flying it with some new equipment, pretty cool. I like it. I have another one that I'm going to go ahead and put 4S on it. But anyway, pretty cool. Camera's well protected. Works real well. I think a 210. No, it's a 200. So, yeah, it's a lot of fun. This is Danny with QuadLugs. We'll see you on the next one.